So this question can be hard if you're not familiar with binomial expansion. But if you're not, there's still a way to do this question. We're told that the second term of this expansion is at 8x cubed, and second meaning the highest power in descending powers, which means that the first term is x to the fourth. So that means that I have to multiply this 4 times. N has to be 4. That's the only way you'll get x to the fourth. And also these would result when you choose 3 x's, meaning if you're multiplying it in this form, one of these terms would result if you pick an x here, x here, x here, and a by, meaning you're doing this multiplication when you do the distribution. There are other cases too. You could pick a by here, x, x, and x. And that's how you would end up with that term. But here we're interested in finding the total number of terms. But once we know what n is, the number of terms would be one more than that. And to see that, the resulting terms would be x4, and then x cubed y, then x squared. This is in descending powers. And then x1y cubed, and then y to the fourth. And these would be the 5 terms. The coefficients will be different. Obviously, it will depend on b here. So the answer is 5. Now, this question would also be a little bit harder if they said, what is b? B turns out to be 2 here. And I think you should try to see why that is by doing the expansion. Or if you know the binomial theorem, then it's a lot easier to see. So to summarize, the answer is 5, choice A.